Hello, this is John Enright with Custom Wealth Management. Thank you for investing a few minutes of your time into your financial life through this 7-part series on financial wellness. Over the next couple of minutes, we're going to cover the stimulus checks that you recently or hopefully will soon receive, managing student loans, mortgage considerations, building a financial foundation, identifying threats to your financial goals, managing credit and debt, and creating a personal budget. Student loans are another area of concern through the coronavirus pandemic. The CARES Act has taken steps to assist you in addressing your student loan, with both loan interest and payments on federal loans being suspended until September 30th of 2020. It may be a wise strategy to set aside what you were paying for your loans every month into an interest-bearing savings account. And then, as the suspension lifts in late September, apply all the monies that have accumulated in that account over that time period to the loans. This way, you make a small amount of interest on those monies, but you also avoid any interest that would accumulate on those dollars from the loan, as they will go towards the principal of your loan and eliminate 100% of the interest expense on that amount. This would also be a great time to reassess your loan and determine if now might be a good time for you to begin refinancing your student loans to a much lower interest rate and potentially shorten and or reduce your payments. Please note that you probably should delay the completion of the refinance until after this period has expired. Your time was well invested, and at this point you have some great takeaways. We are here to help you through this, and we welcome you to reach us with any questions or challenges you may have. Thank you, and please stay safe and join us for the next part of this 7-part series.